Hey everybody, this is Mr. Regner, and I've got a quick introduction for you for chapter 9.1. Now 9.1 is an introduction to statistics, and if you've heard about statistics, you might think about baseball stats or football stats. It's kind of what we're talking about with statistics, but of course we're talking about them more mathematically. So today, in this section of our chapter, you're going to learn pretty much two primary things. First, we're going to about what is a statistical question. So in order to be gathering good stats, you want to have a statistical question. So a statistical question is a question where you expect that you're going to receive many different types of answers. So for example, if we were all able to answer this question right now, I would probably get many different answers. I could say, what color shirt are you wearing? And we would have people, I'm wearing a black, showing off the choir there, shirt. Some people may be wearing pink shirts or orange shirts, green shirts. We're gonna have a lot of different answers, okay? If we drive down the road and say, what's the price of gas? You guys probably know this, but every gas station has like different prices, and sometimes it's different prices, different days, all right? So anytime we're asking a question where we expect to get different numbers of answers. If we ask a question where we get a number answer, for example, if I said, how many pets do you have? Some of you would say 0, some would say 20, depending on what you're counting as a pet. We've got Toothless out there, that is a lizard. We've got dogs and cats, like typical pets. Some people count goldfish and other things. Some people have even counted pet rocks for some reason. Whatever you want to do, right? So if we get numbers, we can look at those numbers and look at that data and those statistics in a particular way. One thing we're going to do this week is take a look at something called a dot plot chart. Let's see if that shows up. There it is. So assuming that I've graphed all this data, each one of these dots on here represents one person's answer. So you can see in the chart really quickly, 2 people picked 2, 2 people picked 5, and it looks like 6 people picked 6. So by looking at that chart, we're able to actually analyze this and determine if there's any gaps or peaks or clusters of data based on the information that we're getting. All right, so that is a quick introduction to our chapter, which introduces statistics. So check it out in chapter 9.1. Please make sure that you're reading the information. Make sure you're watching the example videos. Be sure to do the try it problems and then log into Big Ideas Online to complete your assignment. This is Mr. Regner saying, stay safe.